Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you study, research, and learn. Welcome to our basic guide on how to use ChatGPT effectively. Whether you're tackling a tough essay, needing help with homework, or just curious about new technology, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's dive into the first and most common use of ChatGPT, asking questions. When you're studying or curious about a new topic, getting a clear, concise explanation can make all the difference. Here's how you do it with ChatGPT. For instance, say you're working on environmental science homework and you need to understand the greenhouse effect. You'd start by typing your question here in a straightforward manner. Let's put in the prompt I just put together right here. Let's say, what is the greenhouse effect and how does it contribute to global warming? Watch how ChatGPT not only defines it, but also connects it to a larger concept. So, here we go. See how detailed that answer is? It gives you a solid foundation to build on for your homework. Now, if you do need more depth, like understanding specific effects of global warming, just ask follow-up questions based on the initial answer. Let's try, can you list some effects of global warming on polar regions? Let's see how ChatGPT would process based on your input right here. And so, by continuing the conversation, you can explore the topic in as much detail as you need for a thorough understanding. This method not only enhances your learning, but is also a great way to prepare for exams or class discussions. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. When it comes to academic writing, ChatGPT can be your personal writing assistant. Let's say you're assigned to writing an essay on the impact of global warming. Starting can often be the hardest part. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us craft an engaging introduction. So just type out a detailed request to get the most out of ChatGPT. For example, you could write, or let me just put my prompt right here that I just put together. Help me draft a 100-word introduction for a persuasive essay on the impact of global warming, focusing on its effects on global weather patterns. So, this specificity helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you need. So, let's send in the prompt right now. So as you can see, based on how it's currently processing right here, there you go. A strong, compelling start for your essay. Now, if this draft right here needs tweaking, or if you want to expand it, just ask ChatGPT for revisions or additional content. For instance, let's ask for a concluding sentence to make this introduction even more powerful. Just type in, or you can put in the prompt that you just put together, just like what I did. Can you provide a concluding sentence that emphasizes the urgency of addressing global warming? So this kind of specific request guides ChatGPT to generate a precise and impactful sentence. So let's see how ChatGPT would generate based on my input right here. Here we go. You have a powerful conclusion to your introduction, making it not only informative, but also compelling. With ChatGPT, refining and enhancing your writing is just a query away. Always remember, while ChatGPT is a fantastic tool, it's crucial to verify its information, especially when it comes to your coursework or research. And with that, thank you for watching our guide on using ChatGPT for students.